Every year, millions of tons of marble dust go to waste, polluting our environment. But what if this waste could be turned into something useful?
In a revolutionary approach, Maarmo is transforming marble dust into high-performance radiators, offering a sustainable heating for the future. Now, let's talk with the CEO about how this brilliant idea came up.
I'm here today in Maarmo with the CEO, Mr. Gianpaolo. I wanted to ask you some questions. How did you come up with the idea of Maarmo?
Thank you for this visit. And first of all, the idea of Maarmo came from a walk. A walk, the two founders, two engineers, during a walk in the countryside of Veneto, they met a big quantity of waste of marble in a local cave, and they asked how we can reuse all this quantity of marble waste dust. How they tried to mix with the other elements this powder, and they found finally after about 2 years the right blend, and so mixture water and marble waste dust. They create this wonderful solid element made in about 70-80% of marble. So for me, it's very important to explain our mission and our vision. We are not a factory that produces only radiators, but our vision is to give a new opportunity to the waste of marble that in the cave, in all the sector of marble, it produces in big quantity. Then our vision is to become a design company. The focus is on the design. We would like to become a brand design company, and we are working to become it. We know that we need many years. We need to work day by day, but we have a clear focus on the future.
Okay, another question. What is the strategy of Maarmo?
I'd like to start from our main values. And the main innovation, efficiency and sustainability. For this reason, the strategy of Maarmo is to work on the customization, personalization, and to work with a special customer that desires something of different that now see on the market. I don't mean high level, top level. We have a very niche of our customer or market, but our customer is very in love with all our values. So the target and the work is to put together this type of customers with our product. For this reason, usually we work every week, every month with architects, with the designer, with all this kind of people that is on the sales channel, where the main value is not the price, but it's the value.
Okay, another question is, how do you manage inventory levels?
It's another good question. Usually, the focus of Maarmo is to produce only unique product. So we don't work with the stock. All our order is custom on the specific customer and not specific request. So we produce only on order.
The process starts with collecting marble waste, which is then mixed with water to create a magical mixture to make our efficient radiators. These radiators not only reduce waste but also consume less energy. Once the mixture is ready, it is put into silicone molds to give them shape. As we know, Maarmo is a very creative company. You can ask for whatever design you want because they believe in design and customization. Now we'll let this mixture settle down for some time and let's wait until it becomes solid. In the meantime, let's have some conversation with CEO.
Do you manage to get enough marble waste?
Well, our magic powder comes from the cave area Verona, where there is a big hub where the marble, the big block of marble were cutted. The big challenge for us is, I love repeat this concept that we desire, we need to use only natural elements in order to create our magic cream. The secret for us is to get element and to have the radiator only with natural element inside. This is the only big challenge for us.
So now we are in dry room. The temperature here is about 30 degrees. Radiators are kept here for about 5 days so they get dried also inside because they are still wet. So we have to wait for 4 to 5 days so that they get dried as well from inside. So now it's time to paint. So here we paint our radiators by hand because we value human touch. This process is also a little bit time consuming because when the first layer is given, we have to wait almost 20 hours to give second touch. Now we are gonna have a look at different designs Maarmo is offering to their customers.
Here in Maarmo, every product is special. Here you find Ubriaco, the very first wine-infused radiator that is made out of the waste of wine and the waste of marble dust. Two very special products in Italy. Then, if you follow me, you can find some made-to-order radiators in which the design is specifically requested by the customers, and we can produce radiators out of the highest quality to ensure a very good level of detail. Then here you can find Ginkgo, which are green-inspired radiators, which are special radiators that really want to capture the essence and the beauty of nature. And also Venezia, radiators inspired to Venice, the oldest city of the future. Then, by continuing, you can see the Toscana radiators, which are made in this particular design that enhances the details of the stone. And by continuing further, you can see that they can also be made out of gold and bronze, and that they can be either water-based or electrical-based. Here you have another version of radiators, which are made in a way that really resembles marble and its characteristics, and from far away they even create an optical illusion about the material, so it really resembles real marble. Here you can see an alternative version of the rusty collection, which really makes them stand out for the way they are designed and for how their texture is made. And this really captures how much Maarmo cares about a high level and a high quality of their design. Over here you can see one example of the curve line radiators, whose shape is basically a curved surface. Whereas On this part right here, you can see the 3 examples from the tessuto line, which is that are done in a way that their design, their texture, is resembles fabric and its characteristics, and you can even feel them. And here you can find the smallest of the line, out of the line, which is the Go Caldo radiator. Its focus is about drying things, so you can even start by drying the smallest towel out of the kitchen. Indeed, it is portable, and it also is very durable.
So here at Maarmo, we are using pellets for packaging that are custom made, because every radiator has different size, so we make pellets according to size of radiators. Here at Maarmo,
I don't want to sell 1 million of radiators on €1, but 1 radiators on 1 million of euro value.